Welcome everyone, we are here at the disc golf park in Mijas in Spain. A very beautiful property to throw some discs. We have good weather, it should hold, it will not be raining. The wind is getting less, which is good for the players and for the viewers at home. At first we want to thank our tour partners and all the disc golf stream subscribers and all the viewers at home. Without you guys this would not be possible. It is an extraordinary value for the players and for the viewers that we are able to do the skins. Thank you. Okay, so let's come to the rules. Each hole is worth 50 euros. If there is a tie on one hole, it advances to the next hole, and this is gonna be then worth, for example, 100 euros. It's gonna add up until someone wins a hole. If there happens to be a tie on hole 18, whoever makes the longest putt to push the hole will get all the money. In addition to that, I am as the host, I have 100 euros to give away in form of challenges. Yes, let's see how this will play out and have fun watching. First to tee off is Øyvind Jarnes. Welcome, Øyvind. Øyvind is a fisherman from Norway, so my first question to you, how many fish did you fish this year?
How many?
Yeah, just a number, approximately.
Well, 5,000 tons.
Wow, that's quite a lot. So, good luck at your first tee shot, Øyvind.
Let's see.
Easy. That's looking true.
Should you?
Second, we have Samuel from Finland. Hey, Samuel.
Hi.
I heard Samuel is a very good darts player. So my question to you, are you as good in disc golf as you are in darts?
I think I'm even better.
Even better?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Imagine that.
Yeah, that's crazy. You can show us now.
Oh, no. Tuo oli aika hyvä. Longest putt on the whole one.
Easy cash.
Third player, we have Jakub Semerad from the Czech Republic. He had an outstanding season. Congrats to that. Another thing, I heard you were in Vienna.
Yes.
Like a few days ago, you had a date there.
No.
No date?
No. I've been there with my friend.
With
Just
your...
exploring the city.
Okay. Was it nice?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. I wanted to know it. So good luck for your first shot.
Thank you.
Maybe.
OB.
No.
No. So last to tee off, we have Otto from Finland. Hello, Otto.
Thank you.
I heard you've already been to the police here in Spain.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Tell us what happened.
I left my phone in the Uber and it was quite a ride to get it back.
So you had to go back to the police to get your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad. So, good luck. Kuksi.
Classic.
Nice. Let's go. That was the funniest part for me.
How long have you worked on those questions?
I've had it half an hour more than I thought I had.
So somebody has to make a putt to push the hole.
Yes.
No. I don't know how close that.
And that's probably me.
I think Jakub's a B.
Yeah, and I think I'm outside the circle.
Where's the Jakub?
I think that's in the middle of the OB.
You can see it.
You see the stakes.
Must make.
Must make.
Too easy.
Almost.
Good run.
Is it me?
Yes.
Skin on hole one.
Is he OP now?
The wind was tricky.
Were you inside
Push it
or
down.
outside? OB or not?
He was OB.
Everyone came short.
Nice one.
Easy.
losing mine.
Yes. Should also made with mine.
It's not even a challenge.
So here we are at hole 2. First skin goes to Øyvind, the fisherman. Very nice drive, good putt. Hole 2, very short, downhill. The wind can play little tricks to us. Let's see how the players manage it. First up is Samuel.
Okay.
That's looking good.
No tricks.
Good shot.
Crazy lifts from the wind.
Yes.
Get in the hole. No. It's a good one.
That's good.
Easy.
Well, no.
Easy birdie.
No lift.
Classic attack. I hope it's not gonna be this windy in the competition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
so.
have the longest putt down him.
I like the wind.
You are there. Only stilettos.
That's gonna be, even if there's wind,
Yeah.
there's no wind, still
But
throw.
Øyvind is throwing only stilettos even without the wind.
Oh, that was a triple X.
Looks like the players have some putts. I think this will be a push. Would be nice to add up some money.
Øyvind is here, Jakub is parked. Otto is over in the top. I'm here.
I think it.
Me up?
I think it.
Øyvind maybe first and then
Yeah, you
Otto.
can play first.
Bye bye.
You say CTP on this hole.
One of the easiest putts.
Yeah.
It was even worse.
Good hook stick.
Oh, I tried on the right side, but a bit low. Had to push it.
Hey!
Gooba pushing.
Push, push, push.
So I follow you guys now.
So
So now it's
Haven't played.
from red.
this kind of win for a while, so didn't feel the most confident putts, but still made it.
Is it
That's
now
important.
18 from the red layout?
I think it touched the car's tires, like the back tire.
We are at hole 3 now. This hole is worth 100 euros since hole 2 was pushed. In addition to that, there is a CTP now. Whoever is closest to the pin will get an additional 25 euros. Good luck. And Jakub is first to tee off.
To the blue basket.
Did you say red basket?
No, I didn't say anything, but there is a blue basket. I thought that's obvious.
I thought it's a red basket.
No,
He
you
knew, he knew.
Yeah, he knew.
It's looking better.
Mm.
Get up. No. I think Jakub is still CTP.
Yes.
That was low. Too low.
Just doing it again.
Zero lead.
Yeah. Oh, didn't get up at all.
Maybe Jakub. Maybe Jakub.
I think we need a range.
Maybe it's still me, even though I
This
was
is very tough now.
It's not who's the closest, it's who's the furthest.
I just like
Least shit.
least shit.
Somebody's gonna make their putt.
Your shot like lifted so much.
And mine didn't lift at all.
Yeah, I know, but I thought that if I just threw it wide enough, it's gonna carry a lot. But actually, no, just didn't do anything.
I think this may be even closer than Jakub.
I don't know about Jakub. It could be.
No. I think this may be even somewhere.
I think I'm the closest to you.
You're playing to the red basket, right?
No. I think it's you, honestly.
Yeah, I think it's me. I think Jakub is the farthest away, or Otto.
I think I'm.
So
this is
CTB goes to
closer.
Samuel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's.
Otto is farthest away.
Yeah, I'm
Jakub and Øyvind, I mean.
Yeah.
Jakub.
Okay, is it me now?
Yep.
Yes.
Almost.
No, pushasin. No money, no honey.
You got 25 euros.
True.
Here we are again, hole number 4. Nothing spectacular happened on hole 3 except the CTP from Samuel. Congratulations on that one.
Spectacular city.
And yes, so 3 skins now at hole 4. Good luck.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Good on. Big forehand.
Oh wow!
Did it flip over? Roller play.
Roller play. Sort of.
You
Probably in the middle.
I was first
yeah,
on the
yeah,
last
okay.
tee.
Oh cut roll back, another roll. Probably cut rolls in the fairway. Or not. That's the true roller.
Intentional roller.
Yeah. Looked like it.
Was it?
I don't think so.
That
It's quiet.
should
so
have been
No, it wasn't.
air shot.
Yeah.
So 1 forehand and 3 rollers. Yeah, that's nice.
So much room to play with.
It's better to cut roll than go back OB.
Yeah, if you overcook it like we did, it usually just rolls back into the middle.
Yeah.
We'll see.
That's not the basket.
Me next.
Lay up.
Nice low line. Nice.
Come back. What?
The one where you're sitting outside. Is it far enough?
Short. Are there relief for this?
We have a casual relief for the spiky one.
Okay. I don't have a mini, but I'm just gonna mark with a disc.
Yeah.
There, that you know. Thirty short.
But A for effort. I should do that when I'm putting. Going. I was like 20 short as well, probably.
I was like 50, 60, 70 short maybe.
Yeah. You tried to keep it under the wind?
I was during the tournament I was here with a first shot, but
Now you're
it
with
was
two.
good wind.
I can have maybe look.
That's short. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Not those up there.
Yeah, it's
Somehow try to make this.
pearl.
Yeah.
Come on.
Good run.
Good breaks.
Throw
Bit
was
too
terrible,
much.
but
Bit too much. Oh.
No, four skins. Do you understand?
thank you.
Almost.
Push, push, push. Next hole a birdie, maybe. Could be worth a skin.
So a short recap what basically happened on hole 4. Nothing special again, it was another push. Here we are, hole 5. 4 skins now. This hole is worth 200 euros. Enjoy!
Bye.
Is it a flip
Bye-bye.
stiletto?
Next one, please.
That might be a lost piece.
Nope. It never disappeared. My precious.
Get some fade. No. Yeah. Ik bal even poesen. Finds the gap. Almost.
That was looking good.
Nope.
Good
Still have a shot.
Same with me.
Just watch me, I'll get this again. Force.
The level of game we're playing, incredible. No one even in the circle too.
What do you think about Øyvind screaming when he's throwing?
I like it
Me too.
because he can flip stiletto.
I guess. Go. Nah.
Hello!
You can play.
Incoming!
Yep.
Your camera ready?
There is one.
Too high!
Get up. No.
They can just tap in and you don't have to.
You can pick it up.
This is how to push every hole.
Yeah.
Welcome to the new video.
Nearly made me make this.
Last week was how to birdie every hole. Now it's how to push every hole.
Sorry for not being part of the group.
It's okay, Øyvind.
Thank you.
Usually before every shot, I have a little mantra that I say to myself, and that mantra is all the confidence in the world. When it comes to trying out these new discs, I know that when I'm going to throw those discs, I'm going to have all the confidence in the world.
Hole 7, very similar to the last hole. On the last hole the wind tricked some players, so it was another push, and yes, good luck.
Come on, what? That's better. Nice shot. Get in.
Nice, Jakub.
Let me hang it.
That's in the circle.
Yeah. What a hard putt. Forehand.
Get up. Get up. Nope.
Why didn't you scream, Øyvind?
Looking good for Jakub. If he can make the putt, so
Yeah.
it's like
Okay.
2 meters.
I can miss it.
Can you please miss it?
No.
After I make my forehand under.
Okay, Jakub is not gonna miss it, so we have to make it.
Yeah.
Someone has to make it.
I think I can maybe. I have a chance.
Me too.
It's in the circle.
Yes, it's me then. Not even close.
Nice try.
Damn. So 200 for Jakub. 250 really? Oh. Come on Jakub!
Lay it up.
That was good.
Thank you. Nice.
It's been a very long time since someone took the skins. Now it was Jakub Semerad's turn. He got 5 skins now, 250 euros. That's sick. And now, hole 7. And it's Jakub's turn to throw first.
Putting?
Yeah, that's playing.
That's good.
Go in.
Go.
Oh, nice shot.
Tauk.
Okay. Long.
It's too long.
Go, go, go. Way long.
Oops. Maybe a bit slower.
Flip up a little bit. Yeah, supposed to do that.
Nice. I'm just trying to make highlight putts, so I'm leaving it always at least 50
So
meters.
Jakub has to make the putt push.
15 meters. I make
Jakub just got skins so he can miss on purpose and give me the one skin.
He will not do that. Maybe if he misses, he tells you he did it for you. But Jakub doesn't think for others.
He wants all the skins.
Yes, that's crazy. He's so good at skins. Just lucky at the right moment. No, he's been pushing.
Yeah.
Where is Øyvind? There?
I'm here.
Me or you?
Probably you, maybe. I don't know. I don't know how far I'm up. I can't see the basket.
I'm like 10. Maybe you can play first. I see the basket at least.
Where's the basket?
On that way.
Oh, there it is. I see it.
I think it's Øyvind first.
Oh, man. Nice try.
Yeah.
Ei moist.
Just a tapping.
Maybe a little bit nervous.
Maybe.
Easy
At
money.
least don't go back home with 0 though.
Yeah.
Something to bring home.
Just follow Øyvind, I guess.
Yeah.
Thank God I got the
Øyvind
skin
knows.
with a bullseye.
You gotta get the bullseye.
Any more than 5 meters and it's not even close to the basket.
I thought I would make it, but
Everyone thought you will make it.
Yeah, and if Sampa made it, I would probably have missed that for the push.
Probably.
but it just
Now
dropped.
there's one. scary putt and it was 2 meters, so now the next one's easy.
So this is a new hole or something?
Yep,
Okay.
a hanging basket.
A hanging basket.
Yep,
That's nice.
Par 3 or 4 or
3, long par 3.
First skin for Otto. Now everybody has at least one skin except for Samuel. Let's see if he can change that. Next hole, hole 8, 130 meters uphill. This looks like another great opportunity for another CTP. So 25 euros CTP here again.
some money for me as well. Maybe.
And maybe money for Samuel again.
Yeah, it's me first.
Yes, Otto first.
Nice.
Oh, that's good.
Come back.
How long is this one?
Long.
110 meters up the hill. Plays like 130 maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably more than 100. If you gotta get it up there. You can move it.
You can move.
Can't move it. It's part of the course.
Oh, another flip is still
That's good. Gotta be good.
there. Come on, go in the basket.
Up.
Oh!
Nice shot.
See that? Yeah. It was good.
It's me.
Yeah,
Too
it's
high.
Too high. A little bit too high. Nope. That's lost disc. Bye! Bye!
Oh, it's not the last disc.
Please hit something.
Antaa mennä. That's beautiful.
Nice shot. But I think it's pretty safe to say that Øyvind has the CTP.
And it's pretty safe to say that
The PS.
Sampas disc is lost.
Yes.
I think it's down in the creek.
Samuel, do you think you will find your disc again?
Nope.
No.
Maybe it hit something.
Laurenz,
Yes.
I guess you know the 5 club. I think you
guess.
should do 5 now.
I should find.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Huh? Why?
It's a 5 club. Everyone who is in the club can do.
You know,
5
Jakub,
to-
who was it
everyone.
that invented the game?
I think it was you.
Yes.
Make it
But it
100 club.
escalated quickly.
Do you wanna join 5 club?
Yeah.
So do 5.
Make it 50 club. Okay, 5.
So Otto is in.
Did a hot
Yeah.
play.
Yeah, he's in.
Yes.
But can we make it a 50 club?
No.
No.
We have to make
But-
50 in a row to qualify.
You can tell someone.
Laurenz,
like to do.
what's the craziest place where you did 5 push-ups?
Whoa, there's been a lot of.
I think you did it in a trunk. Did you do it in a plane?
I did it once in a restaurant which was closed for a wedding. I had to run in and do 5. That was probably the craziest.
Where's my disc?
Is it me now? Or
Oh, it's here.
Yes, you are Otto.
Yep.
It's Otto.
where are you, Øyvind? Okay. That's it.
Another close one.
So many already.
Almost on point.
This is not a tap in. Good putt.
Nice putt.
No problem.
Finally, some.
Almost legal stance.
That was very good.
Almost again. Is it up here?
Where's the next one?
Is the next one like here?
I think it's this basket that
It's,
deep is
it's
there.
the normal hole.
Yeah.
Okay, now I gotta make hole in one or something. Okay, I have now made one successful tee shot in this skins match. Back 9 attack, easy.
Hole number 9, it's worth 1 skin only because Øyvind took it. And also the CTP, so 75 euros for Øyvind. And hole number 9, so it's Øyvind to tee off. I think I've said the name Øyvind like 10 times in a row.
Denied.
Ah. Still a chance.
Yeah.
Otto has to good forehand though. Easy.
Too long.
Too much power.
And drop the bullseye. I think it's good.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's a
it's
good
in the
chance.
circle
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
Maybe a bit long. Nice hole design. Or flex in the sky.
So Otto only one in the circle, I think. There's a good chance he's going to take the next skin. That's a big forehand he has.
Close.
Great one. Skip. Ah. Nice skip.
Good skips.
Nice, Jakub.
I hope I'm parked under the tree.
I'm there. Okay.
Oh, I'm there.
Otto is very
Fine.
close.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Good one, Otto.
I can bring yours.
Yep. Thanks.
Thank God, a solid putt for once.
That was it for the front 9. Make sure to head back to the back 9. And thanks to all the tour partners, all the viewers and all the subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to Disc Golf Stream. Yeah, come back to the back 9, it's gonna be even more amazing.